Yes, dear student, after the definition of the resistance, we will discuss about how we can define 1 ohm resistance. So, first of all, we will discuss about a circuit diagram. Then, after from that, we will define the 1 ohm resistance. Dear students, look at the circuit diagram. Suppose that we are having a battery. That battery is applying a potential difference of 1 volt, and after the application of some potential difference, then amount of current will flow, and suppose that this amount of current, that is 1 ampere. Then what will be the value of R? From this formula you can easily find that then if V is 1 volt, then R is 1 ampere, then R will be 1 ohm. Then value of the resistance will be 1 ohm. Then how can you define the resistance? The resistance of a conductor is said to be 1 ohm if a current of 1 ampere flows through. If a current of 1 ampere flows through it when a potential difference of 1 volt is applied. It means that if you will apply a battery of 1 volt across a conductor and 1 ampere current flows through that conductor, then you can say that the resistance of that conductor will be 1 ohm. As you can see from the Ohm's law, we have V is equal to IR, then R will be V upon I. From this you can write, if you are applying a potential difference of 1 volt and 1 ampere current is flowing through that conductor, then the resistance will be 1 ohm. Now dear students, we are going to discuss about the topic, that is resistor. There is always a confusion in students about resistance and resistor. They are thinking that these are the same things, but these are not the same thing, as resistance is the electrical property. And what is resistor? Resistor means any conductor or any material which can offer some resistance when some electric current flows through that. Then how can we define a resistor? A conductor which allows flow of electric current through it but offers some resistance. Dear students, pay attention. A resistor is a conductor which offers some resistance when some electric current flows through it. So we can define a resistor, that resistor is a material and resistance is the electrical property of that material.